'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, yeah. I can fly.
What's up mga kaibigan ko? Ako si JC Sahagin and welcome back to my vlog. Yes, I changed it up. I said kaibigan this time instead of mga tropas ko. But anyways, you guys, it's been a long time since we had like a chica. I was doing the reviews about 90 Day Fiancé. Now I'm moving on. Now to whatever balita I see that's going all over Facebook or PepPH, I'm there to give my opinion. And it's either you guys can listen to me, listen to my opinion, or you could agree or disagree. But today's topic is gonna be about sobrang maganda si Angel Locsin. Yeah, she is everywhere. Everybody is like bashing her about her body, you know, because it changed from being the impression of being Darna to being someone that gained a little bit more weight. And the thing is you guys gotta understand we're in a pandemic and not all gyms are open, or maybe she doesn't have accessibility to gym equipment, and maybe because she just got engaged a couple months ago and she's happy. It's called happy weight, you guys. When I was in a relationship, if you check my article out on PepPH when they wrote about my lifestyle, Extraordinary, I actually gained a lot of weight from being in a relationship. That's what it is when you're happy. So anyways, you guys, let's talk about Angel Locsin. Angel Locsin, what I read about her, from besides being an actress and a public figure, is during the times when we have pandemics, not because of the recent one, but of the ones in the past, by Mother Nature, she would always be the one that's actually visiting the locations. Even though she didn't have to, she would actually go to the grocery store and actually buy the groceries when she could have just sent someone out to do it. Now that we have the pandemic, we have COVID, what does she do? She still goes out and still buys the groceries. And when the groceries, everything she buys, it's cooked, she goes in a van, and she goes everywhere around Moa, Manila, etc. and gives food to our frontliners. What more could you want from a good person like that? That's like big-hearted. It doesn't make sense that, you know, doesn't mean she gained weight. Yeah, people are gonna notice and they're gonna bash her. I can relate to her on the bashing part, but at the same time, Angel Locsin can't always be Darna at all times. You guys gotta understand that our metabolism changes, and before it's being fast, it goes to being slow, which we gain weight a lot faster. So Angel Locsin does not even have to help, you know what I'm saying? She's actually doing good for the Philippines. She's showing her big heart. She's actually helping people when, like I said, she doesn't even have to help it. She could be at home just relaxing, but she goes outside and she's risking her life also, just like each and every one of you frontliners out there. So congratulations to you frontliners, respect to you guys. You know, for us, we only go out to buy food when we need it or medicine, but she doesn't have to do this. She goes out because she does it on her own will, you guys. So my advice is, you know, let's be positive, you guys. We're Filipinos, supposed to be waterproof. We don't need to put negativity and bashing towards Angel Locsin and her body weight. Oh, by the way, some of the articles that I've read on Facebook, the comments, you guys are actually amazing when you guys support Angel Locsin. Regardless, like, she has a big heart, she's beautiful, in and out no matter what, from everything that she has done. You know, we need more people like that in this world. And for some of the bashers that just making fun of her, man, you know what? She went out, she had a dream, and now she's helping others that are in need. So let's not, you know, see like how the person looks in the outside. Just remember the good things that that person has done, because you know what? If you guys keep bashing her or criticizing her, she's just gonna be like, you know what? Forget this. why am I even doing this out of my kindness of my heart when people are actually hurting my feelings, which is her feelings? But yeah, you guys, anyways, I just want to give my 2 cents, my opinion. Like I said, you know, you just, for people like Angel Luxine, that's someone to look up to, like literally a role model. And let's just stop the bashing, you guys. You know, we're Filipino, let's be waterproof, and you know, let's get through this pandemic together. You know, stay home, wear your mask, go out when you need to go out, and yeah, that's it. And if you want to like pursue something, you know, this is the perfect time to really think about it and brainstorm and produce your content. Like, here we go again. I'm about to go now, so this video is gonna get a little bit too long of me blah blah blahing. Anyways, you guys, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video and enjoying my content. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Super happy that you guys are visiting my vlogs. Anyways, you guys, Angel Luxine, if you see this, take care, ingat, and to everybody else, mag-ingat po kayo. My name is JC Sahagin. Love you guys. Let's be positive, spread the positivity. I'm out. Love you guys. Bye.